on our way to the river.
You know what Michael was? Wait, you
I
know
missed it.
James's profile picture and Michael was? His friend was like, telling you it was an ass experience he had.
Peace! 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 I was in the Azure organization at Microsoft, and they rented out a pub for an intern event this day, and and I won.
Just kidding.
I won again.
That is insane. We make a face. Literally. Right here.
How much money are you gonna leave the casino with?
I'm winning all of it. Taking it all home. 100 million.
3 million.
2 million!
Hi.
Hi. What's up, YouTube?
We're eating fish and chips. How much money did you make?
I just saw this.
Negative 30. Gordon, how much money did you make?
5.
5? Okay. Andrew, how much?
100!
Nah, bro. How much money did you make?
Negative 100.
Actually?
Yeah, it was.
Oh shit.
What's up, guys? Jay Money here. Today,
What's up?
we're at it at the intern ice cream social at Microsoft. So all of us got 1 ice cream.
Thank you.
I might get 2 depending on how supplies last.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, I did.
We're about a boat.
Where are we?
South Lake Union.
South Lake Union.
Oh my god.
Jen, you made it.
Absolutely. No. We can go on. People in the water should be scared. Huh?
One of my housemates, Megan, was taking her MCAT, so we made her this celebratory cake, and we also got her some red icing for the final touch.
You guys are so funny.
Let go. Yeah. Nice. Nice.